I was telling my partner before I went out, yeah, I'm just gonna go on the road. I'm not gonna hit any trails. And what did she say? I've heard that before. Well, sweetie, you were right.
Hey guys, Colin from Trail Trash ADV. Welcome back, and if it's your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking. I'm the crazy guy who rides his V-Strom off-road. Now I have a ton of work that needs to be done all at once because that's just the way these things go. So today, front end suspension's getting new bushings, new seals, fresh oil. I'm even gonna install these cheapo eBay preload caps. And then I need front end brakes. In addition to that, I've got this ion footrest kit from SW-Motech, which I will provide my thoughts on as I install it. So something worth mentioning, if you've never done this before, make sure to loosen off these, the top of your fork tubes, before you take the tire off and get it off the ground. Because from factory, they're gonna be quite tight and you're gonna end up in a little bit of a pickle if you don't do it beforehand. Don't ask me how I know. Come on, won't you come, little Allen key? Won't you come? Come on. 6mm Allen key, T-handle, whatever, however you name it, wherever you're from. Don't strip it. Don't strip it. Don't do it. Ask me how I know. Yeah, that's pretty milky. I was gonna say it's not so bad. Yeah, no, it's pretty bad there. So that is our damper rod, and is our Cogent DDC. There. Welcome back. So I got a haircut. Also, it's been about 6 hours since I started this, and you're probably saying to yourself, what is taking him 6 hours? Why, like, that's ridiculous. Well, I did something intelligent. I inadvertently put in one bushing before the other and hammered it home, and then couldn't get the other bushing past it. Hey guys, it's noontime, just getting back at it. A suspension rebuild on day two of this project. Just about to fill up the fork tubes with oil. I had to look up that process on actually my own YouTube video because I couldn't remember how to do it and I couldn't remember where the measurements were. So anyways, I'll link that up here in case anybody else needs it. At least I helped one person with that video. Anyways, on to it. Hello, folks. Normally I'd just put it on my bike and say, yeah, I've got it. It works because they're foot pegs. But I'm pretty disappointed in the quality thus far. I just took it out of the bag and the finish is just like that. I mean, yeah, the top looks good, I guess. You know, this is nice milled aluminum, but this is just cast. It's just cast aluminum like any other foot peg. Now, there's some weight to it, but I'm skeptical about how this is going to hold up.
Welcome back. It's spring 2022 and the V-Strom has a fresh front end suspension, front end pads. So I figured I'd burn the brake pads in, which I've already done. Do a little teeny tiny bit of off-road for you guys. Take you one of my favorite spots from when I was a kid, and maybe do some crashing for you. Maybe, hopefully not, but you know. I remember when I first came by this field when I was brand new into dual sport. I was on a F650 GS BMW, just sunk right into the ground. I didn't understand that you couldn't just give it throttle and keep going, and the good old V-Strom just tractors through like a good reliable beast. All those front brakes were clean for about 5 seconds. Oh yeah, check out some turtles, maybe see some frogs. Oh, there's a new warning sign. Caution, dangerous drop. What? No shit, eh? The money shot. Alright guys, let me show you what she's looking like. Oh, you probably want to see the V-Strom. So, Adventure Rally X Rally Tower. We got their bare bones edition, and Jeff custom designed a 3D printed backing for it that would seal up and create a waterproof seal. It's also just a generic dual sport fender from Fort 9. As you can see, I've got a brake line here. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with that before I rip it off. Just some fork boots, nothing crazy. Cogent DDCs in here with some straight rate spring. I got these cheapo preload adjusters from eBay. Tried those out, they actually fit. I'm not pouring oil out the side yet, so I can say that we're good there. Tusk D-Flex Pro from Rocky Mountain ATV handguards. Oxford heated grips. As well, I have a clutch cable already threaded through, ready to go. That's from one of my True Northeast trips. But nothing super crazy, guys. Just tank bag from Nelson Rig, old as dirt. Some Lomo crash bar bags, which have been great. Cheap. eBay special fog lights. Outback Motortek skid plate center stand. The World's Edge shock from Cogent Dynamics. A very much needed purchase. It makes a huge difference in the way it handles off-road. But yeah, I'll quit gabbing for now.